Welcome back to another video of UNWINVER. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Fraaaaa4's Windows 2002. This UNWINVER aims to bring a new look for Windows by using one of the rejected logo as a base, and in fact with many fresh sights for us. What are they? Check out the video to find out. So here we are in the VMware Workstation version 16.0. in front of the virtual machine, Fraaaaa4's Windows 2002. But before we go into the virtual machine, we have to go to the website first. Now, in here, we have Windows 2002, codename Cleveland, and well, in here, it explicitly says Community Technical Preview. And let me read the things first. This mod aims to bring a new look for Windows by using one of the rejected logos as a base, numerous resources change, and any other, right? So in here, we'll take a look at it later, what things that are changed, what things that are added, and what things optimized, and yada yada yada. I know, well, the logo is not familiar to you, and even this is so strange to you, because this is one of the rejected logo, which, well, I gotta say, awesome and weird at the same time, because as we know, the Windows logo, each of the color, each section of the window is attached together, and this, it's split at first, and then like it overlays each other, like you see the blue, the yellow, the red and green. And we're going to take a look, and here, welcome to 2002, and then here is the box, but because it's community technical preview, and it is something that literally different. Now this unofficial one, and then we're going to this one, which is, I don't know if Fraaaaa making this as a private build for me, or Fraaaaa will plan to make this a public consumer preview build. Well, we go into the virtual machine. This came out recently. The CD has been inserted, and we're going to make this full screen, and then powering it on. Right, as for boot menu, CD-ROM drive, first indicator to boot, as we know. Yeah, the installation cutoff, it is installer. That is a bit weird for me. And starting with this pre-installation environment, I think this is something different, because as far as I know, Fraaaaa is not using the typical assembly one from Windows XP, but Fraaaaa used the Windows pre-installation environment, which is something that only came out later since Longhorn. Up until right now, we have in Windows 11. Yeah, so Windows pre-installation is kind of a bit of a temporary Windows machine or Windows operating system that temporarily used for installing Windows itself. And yeah, Windows PE only comes with core features to install Windows, of course, and it isn't meant to be as a day-to-day use. So we're going to see this installing, not really installing, it's loading the setup. Yeah, it is taking a long time because it's consumer preview, not the RTM one. Well, probably if I will make later video about the release to manufacture one, then of course I'll make a video about it. So I'm gonna do something kind of a snap. So here we are in the setup of Windows 2002. I gotta say, this is something great. I thought this is from Longhorn. This is Longhorn setup, or Longhorn PE, because that's why it is taking too long, and Longhorn is also unstable. But Fraaaaa took positive thing about Longhorn, it is the WinPE, which, as I understand, is optimizing the installation much from the Windows XP typical assembly one. As you can see in there, Panther Deployment Engine 6.0.40530. Why it says Panther Development Engine? That is because this is using Panther XP to make like a deployment kind of stuff. And here, as you see in here, this is not Fraaa's fault, this is the Windows PE's fault. and the UI is a bit glitching. Yeah, especially the Longhorn uses DCE instead of GDI. It's still installing, and then as usual I'm gonna do a snap file transfer complete rebooting. Okay, of course, because you wanna continue the installation, and it rebooted Windows 2002. See that? Copyright 1985 to 2002. That is attention to detail. It is too over the top, the detail, as what Fraaaaa worked in the past with 10 to XP mod, which is so resemblance to XP. And then please wait while Windows prepares to restart, and like the Windows logo in 16 bits there, as you see, that is so mind-blowing. I think this is going to the OOBE. Yes, this is OOBE. That's right. Yes, I want to see the OOBE. Alright, please wait. I hope it will enable the sound. What? Goodness. What sound is this? What sound is... Oh, welcome to Windows 2002, the help icon. Right, yes. Anytime. Alright. Press the F1 key. Here. Microsoft Windows 2002. Welcome to Microsoft Windows 2002. And this is kind of like the Whistler. Yeah. Alright, so yes, I accept, of course. Product key. We're going to do the product key, and I'll give it in a snap. Right, so the computer name, the description, optional, next, because I don't really need that description. Administrator password, no, the sun is a deadly laser. That's my password. Alright, so next, no, of course I don't. Check your internet, skip. Well, actually, as I see in here, the OBE, like, as you saw in Windows XP 1, there is the second phase of the setup where it informs you to do something like this, but this one, Windows 2002, is informing you throughout the OOBE. That's mind-blowing. Maybe Fraaaaa modifies the OOBE file, the HTML-based OOBE, as you know. Alright, so finish. Current lesson, you're ready to go. Please wait. Now, I have to wait a little bit. Welcome to log on. Click your user account. I hope by choosing the Everything Windows one, it won't gonna bug out. So here is the cloud with Windows XP cancelled or rejected logo. Welcome. This like the Whistler one, like the welcome is big and then to log on. Right, so Everything Windows. I hope it won't bug out. Loading your personal settings. Alright. So yes, this no at this time, because no, cancel, no, cancel, finish. Oh, I had the sound. So I may install VMware tools. Install, because it's Service Pack 3, so it does make sense. No, not now, because we're gonna install VMware tools again. Preparing to install. Now, we're going to install VMware tools. I'm gonna do it with a snap. VMware tool has been installed. We're going to finish. Going to yes, and it is going to shut down. Welcome. I love how this still says welcome even though I'm logging off. So I have no idea what's going on. Alright, Windows is shutting down. Well, the boot screen is 16-bit. Why? I just questions. Right, so we're going to everything Windows, the logo, and I hope it will gonna. What? That is the rumored fake Windows Whistler startup sound. Because I made a video about it. I don't know if I still made the video up or I just gonna unlist or private it. So, wow. Yeah, this is Windows 2002. Before I want to do anything, let's go to the WinVer. Alright, Windows 2002. This is also based from Windows XP Service Pack 3. Okay, take a look at the programs that are in here. Accessories. Accessibility? No. So, maybe Fraaaaa used the old logo from Windows 2000 to overlay the already pre-existing XP program with maybe Resource Hacker to change the icon to the older one. And the notifications, Front Page Express. This is the tool to make a website. Well, we're gonna be taking a look at it later. Windows Media Player, System Tools, Tweak UI. So the logo is from the older one. Address book, as you know. Tour, Windows 2002 Beta. Games is, of course, using the old logo in startup. So here is Windows 2002. We're going to the properties perhaps because we wanted to take a look at some. Goodness sake. What the heck did I just saw? There are so many themes. Wow. Of course I wanna try this. Alright, so watercolor. So it features the Redwood Desert with original sky background. Not Sky the Windows XP Delta Edition creator, no, this is Sky the literal sky. So maybe we can test by using Internet Explorer. I don't know if it is functional enough in here. Well, by the way, the logo in here is the Windows 2002 one. The oldnet.com. Yeah, we're going to check this out. Yes, as a demo. Yeah, we'll enlarge it, and we're going to do my computer. Alright, we're going to shift it in here. The watercolor. Maybe we can just check out the desktop background first. So, 2002 CP. Apply, please wait. Yes. So the backup, maybe we just close this. The consumer preview, above the cloud, stretch. So this is maybe the background, the moon. Yeah, that's right. I'm on trees. This is how this X. Oh no, this is this new latest. And aqua is this new color. Yeah. So what is aqua? Like here, this is how the white is easy. So nothing. So this one is one shot. The original zoo is here. We love the level. So can you some not some many new wallpapers and also next we can do like as well as you which we probably was in the this will fit the position. I just need to just fit this. I mean this is something not this one. Maybe this next one. I think so. I don't want to do pretty much before 3 no. Alright, full with this where you have it on machine, so yeah, geocaching this from the maybe from the geo on the geo shop. Now the tracking. Alright, yeah. You know, ripple, likes this something new again. Alright, with now, sand dunes, this will be new in here. Let's see fish. Yeah, this is new one too. And seashore, this will be a different one. So eat, storage. Yeah, I'm going to all the wallpaper. I honestly, communication, but hey, why not? So tree, oh no. So tree, supposed to know. Yeah, and streets is new one. So you don't know. Sunrise up mountain. Yeah, this is new one. Alright, sunrise on mountain. Sunshine flower. So no valley. Valley is new. Alright, Windows 2002. This replaced the Windows XP one. But this is still good. Yeah, I admit, this is still good. Winter, as we know, it's a protect and we know about it. So, right now, we're gonna be checking out themes. First up, the original watercolor. Well, maybe we just don't want to check it out because we already know about it. Blue Lagoon. Okay, so Fraaaaa implemented the decoy theme for Windows XP, which is I remember is named Sample Test Visual Style. So Fraaaaa just make it looks complete, which is oh no. Well, the window layout is good, but the taskbar is the shoot. It is green in here, blue, red, and green again. The start menu, well, it's still fair, and yeah, it is kind of a bit of ugly, as I assume. Candy SE, or maybe should I say Candy 2nd edition. Please wait. So, if you don't know what the heck is this theme, well, maybe I'll give you a little bit of information. From the Windows XP source code, there is a theme called Candy, which kinda imitates the Mac OS theme, or especially the Mac OS 10, maybe the pre-Panther, yeah, the early era. So this is the result of it. If the theme is finished, and uniquely, there is no border. Yeah, only the bottom, as far as I see. Only the left and right border is so thin, while the bottom one is, well, noticeable enough. And yeah, this is noticeably looks like the macOS theme one, the macOS Aqua theme. Yeah, feels like it. So we go into the other, which is Charters Manganese. We're gonna apply it anyway. Oh, great, it is using the autumn background, which recently ported by Windows Aesthetics. And one thing about this theme, well, kinda match actually. If you wanna ask my opinion, I'll prefer Charters Manganese than the Blue Lagoon, which is Blue Lagoon is too ugly to be true. Watercolor ergonomics. So this is the implementation of the watercolor if it is really come to Windows XP. But yeah, as you see in here, so it is like a darker blue color. Going to other, watercolor olive, which is, yeah, the kind of green one with the alternate Windows XP Bliss wallpaper. Going to the silver, which is in Luna, as we say, metallic. In a beta, silver is like silver. Then watercolor violet is, as you see, violet right there. And going to the watercolor, the normal one, which is the light blue. We're gonna apply it anyway. And then we're going to Windows Classic. Oh no, we don't apply that theme. Well, in honor of this, I'll use the watercolor theme. Now we're gonna close this, and then we're going to take a look at some of the theme. Why did I close that? Oh, I'm so stupid. Blue, yeah, we already showcased that one. Candy SE, maybe just Candy, yeah. Luna style. So this is the beta Luna. Yeah, it is beta, the beta one with the Windows 2002 logo. Yeah, this is the Luna Beta 2, or specifically build 2428. And Malad, yeah, this we already knew. Watercolor, yeah, this one. Maybe I will apply this beta. So we're going to take a look while it is in here. I'm going to my computer. Let's take a look at sample medias. Everything Windows is document, my music, sample music. Oh, I hope this won't gonna be copyrighted, but I'll probably just play it only in 5 or 3 seconds. this is by Kevin MacLeod, which isn't copyrighted as far as I know. Oh goodness, it is interfering with something that I don't want to say it. Endless inspiration. Mr. Mischief. Music is. Right, so music is done. We're going to sample shade pitches, sample pitches, forest, liftoff, nymphes, what? Paradise, ripples, waterfall, winter. So that's the sample picture. Then we're going to shared video. No, there is no. Fraaaaa4 didn't include sample videos, which is, yeah, it's fine actually. So we can close this while running in the background. Maybe we'll just go to windows.com in 2002 because match this branding Windows 2002. Yes, I don't care. While it is loading, we're going to this some programs. Oh goodness, this is the extra beta, which is not look like. Oh, what? It is different from the final Luna. Maybe because it is small logo. Customized. Well, probably. Oh, large logo. And as I see, Fraaaá4 also isn't including the animate one because it is kind of a bit of impossible. Maybe not Windows.com, Microsoft.com in 2002. I mean, we'll ignore it anyway. I'm going to Windows Media Player. Yeah. Alright, so Media Guide. No! We're now playing. And delete from the playlist. And here is Windows Media Player version. What is this? Version 7. Yeah, this is kind of like from Windows ME as far as I know. Because the look is so ME-ish for me. Let's close it anyway. Go into some example programs. Accessibility, now it's the one. Front Page Express. Ah yes, just to make some websites. So we're going to the Windows 2002. Where's the preview? Going to maybe save as HTML. Page location. No. We're gonna copy this. Okay. Unable to save the page via web post. I don't know if it is my fault or this thingy's fault. Maybe it is. Yeah. So front page is to make websites in 1990s and the early 2000s. Going to entertainment. Oh, well, something that I know is wireless network setup wizard is still using the ladder logo because the Windows ME or well, that kind of stuff is not having the wireless network setup. System tools, activate Windows. Maybe we'll try to activate it later. I don't know. Security center, as we know. Tweak UI. Tweak UI. Yeah, to tweak Windows XP. Oh no! Whoa! For Windows 2002, Service Pack 1 and higher, and Windows.net. What? For the thingy in here, I don't remember if it will say Windows.net, or maybe Fraaaá4 added this out of context because Windows 2002 is. Oh. Wow. Fraaaá4 just make this so detailed, like. What the heck? I don't even really notice that at first. So we go into the sideshow. I don't know what is this. Ah, it is earlier, like early sidebar. New. So this is the main one. Yeah, to know the Outlook and Market, which I don't know if this is still functional, and Outlook I don't know if it's functional, So go to main, and maybe we'll close it because we already had enough with Windows Sideshow. So we're going to 2R, Windows 2002 Beta. Alright, so this 2R Windows 2002 is, yeah, it's something like this. But to fix this issue, I'll go to Browse and then Windows 2R to host.exe because it solves the thing. Okay, Windows 2002 2R. Close. If I wanna say it, this is not like the final one because Fraaaaa just planned so many things for Windows 2002 which I didn't even know yet. So accept. Oh, this is the 2R. This is like Windows XP one, but with Windows 2002 branding. What the heck? I don't even know that. Alright, so maybe it's best business. Oh no. What? Click one of the options. What? Wait. I think this is still, yeah, this is still unfinished. So going to the control panel and going to the user account. Alright, so we're going to some of the new account picture. This is the not bundled one, bundled one, not bundled one, not bundled one, bundled one. Some of the things in here is not bundled. And this is the one from Whistler, which the default user available in so many different color. Alright, so the only 3 after this one that are not pretty much bundled. So that is the user account. We're going to the, maybe we'll take a look at the classic one. Yeah, classic, apply, then yeah, the branding, Windows 2002 Professional. Alright, so I'm going to apply, and it's still loading a bit, and okay, yeah, and then there it is. We're going to the Outlook Express, which is in here, and going to the help, about, and then the branding is Windows 2002, Windows 2002. So all of this, all of the program that are included in Windows 2002, the Fraaaaa4 Windows 2002, is rebranded with complete Windows 2002 stuff. And this is only the consumer preview, not even the release preview or the release to manufacturer one. And this is kind of bit of amazing. I'm pretty sure I'll get excited whenever there is a new update such as the release preview one, and I want to take a look at it as soon as possible. So as of right now, we're going to shut down this and then going to the start and then turn off computer. Oh, by the way, I like that thing. Then to the turn off, and then as of right now, I'll see you next time in the next video of Everything Windows. See you next time. Goodbye.